Let's start our second half. Third quarter.
One, two, you hear the clock ticking. You are about to stop living.
Sige yan, ayaw. Kala ko dulo.
Solis, back to Manalo. Manalo jumper. It's good by Mr. Manalo. And offensive foul. Jersey number 28, Bautista. You are third personal foul. Manalo. Pass to Santiago. Back to Manalo. Manalo. Last 10. Solis. Back by Mr. Cortez. Last 5. And then by Mr. Cortez. Pass to Perez. Number 2. Manalo. And 3-second violation. NST ball. Bautista. Pass to Perez. And Larua with a spin. Back to Bautista. And Larua. And Agustin. Good for two, Mr. Agustin. Manalo. Solis. And Manalo open for 3. Is out and driven to Mr. Cortez. Cortez attacking the rim. Is out. And good for two by Mr. Bautista. Manalo. And good for two by Mr. Santiago.
Kayo ng pasahan dito sa ring na to.
Bautista. And foul. First number 25. Solis. First personal foul and first team foul. Larua 3. Manalo. Pass to Solis. Solis. And Solis. Back to Solis. It's out, Santiago. And Manalo open for 3. It's out. Cortez. Cortez attacking the ring. That's good. By Mr. Cortez. Manalo. Manalo. Bautista. Bautista. Pass to Perez. Perez for 3. It's out. And Bautista. And foul. Pass that down. There's number 22. Solis out. Abril in. Manalo. Manalo. Pass to Santiago. Good for two by Mr. Santiago. Cortez. Cortez again. And foul. Jersey number 22. Solis. Sabret. Solis out. Artillaga in. Solis, your second personal foul and third team foul.
Uy, sa amin tabi eh. Wala pa.
Manalo. And Solis. Back to Manalo. Last there. Atiliaga to Padu. And blocked by Mr. Santiago. And that's foul. Verse number 23, Agustin.
Oh, gusto ko. Nadala pa bola.
Face to face.
Not in my face.
Manalo. Back to Manalo. Last there. Santiago number is out. Prima Mr. Larua. Cortez. Cortez. Ayan, Cortez again. Action by Mr. Cortez.
Kanya pa din eh.
Pare!
And good for by Mr. Bautista.
Pare na, lipat! Daya!
Santiago. Santiago. And same ball. Artillaga is out. Last there. And Cortez. Cortez is out. And Cortez again. And foul. There's number 8, Solis. Serves you are. Same personal foul and running for penalty.
Wala sila isa. Wala kang fix ka lang dyan.
Score 65-61 in favor of Riverside. Manalo. Pass to Solis. Artillaga. Pass to Santiago and Artillaga again. It's out. Perez. Perez. That's foul. Jersey number 8. Solis. Third personal foul and penalty. And 2 shots given to Mr. Perez.
Ay, wala! Ba't nasa tigil? Ba't ginagaro? Ay, wala yan!
And complete 2 by Mr. Perez.
Riverside pala sayang.
Manalo. Pass to Artillaga. Santiago. Good for by Mr. Santiago. Cortez. And foul. Verse number 10, Abril. Penalty.
Ha? Oo ba? Kalapit ko eh. Kailan ka?
Pag nag-awarding.
Kailan nga awarding?
Kailan yung awarding?
And complete 2 by Mr. Cortez. Manalo. Pass to Abril. Solis. Solis is out. And Bautista. Bautista. And that's the traveling violation. Abril for 3. Abril, 3. Cortez. Pass to Perez. Perez for 3. Is out and Abril. And double dribble violation. Perez the ball.
Isang kamay mo na lang uulit yun.
Larua is out and Perez jumper is good. Manalo, lazy rappening by Mr. Manalo. Bautista,
Natuloy na si Paul Lane. Offensive.
offensive foul.
Parang matutuloy na ang pansit na isang bali ako.
There's number 28.
Saan? Ha?
There's number 10.
Pandilaria? Pandilaria? Saan ba? Pandilaria? Maras. Mga 10.
Manalo.
Luto. Mga 10. Bago ako magluto. Bang bang.
Is out. And same ball. Score.
Ah, pagdadala pa kita
72,
helmet.
67.
Pagdadala pa kita helmet, hindi na. Oh.
Artillaga, pass to Solis, number is good by Mr. Solis. Perez for 3. Perez, 3. Manalo. Pass to Abril
Bango naman nun.
and Santiago. Good for 2.
Bango, gutom.
Cortez. Perez. Larua. And 7 the line.
Sabrep.
Sabrep. Larua. Gonadri.
Kakagutom.
Bango eh.
Gay, yun na. Saan?
Manalo.
Abre, amigot din siya.
For 3.
Migot.
No.
Migot.
And Libre Mr. Cortez. Cortez. It's good by Mr. Cortez.
Nadakdak na yung top ring.
Ay, bakit?
And backboard violation. And it's the ball.
Labasan niya yung mga game violation. Ayun na ulit yun.
Last 10. Perez. Last 5. Last 3. Is out. And Solis. Solis lays it up. Is out. And Artillaga jumper. Is out again. And Cortez. And foul.
Unscoop. Nagdato yung foul.
Jersey number 47. Unsport. Like foul.
Bakit in-unspool? Dapat na lang.
My resume the game.
8-12 ang balik niya. 8-12. Fourth quarter na.
Hindi ka pwede naman total na na. Para ayayin ko mag-inaw.
Perez.
Ang bilis ng pasa.
Abril. Abril. And Cortez. Cortez, good, Mr. Cortez. Bella, 76. Solis, para sa Mr. Cortez. And good for no by Mr. Rafi Yaga. Bautista. And take by Mr. Rafi. And Santiago lays it up. And out. Bautista. Bonado, back to Bautista. And Bonado. Lacer. Perez. Perez. Good for no by Mr. Perez. Last two.